Hello, people, and this is a book review of Soha Ali Khan's latest and, in fact, her first book, The Perils of Being Almost Famous. And people, I really have to give this book I've personally written a book which sold 10,000 copies, and in fact, I have 17 books online on Amazon if you check Amrita Suresh. But I really have to say this book is almost stellar simply since many of these autobiographies or certain books that you read, it's a very projected sort of mostly because many a times it's not been written by the star themselves, but this book, right from the writing to the content, you know it's it's the kind of book that, like, I have a personal collection of over 1500 books, but I think among all the autobiographies I've collected, or think this book would stand apart. It would stand in a league of its own because it's truly special, people. So in case you haven't read it, just download it on through Kindle, or just go and get yourself a copy, because it is really worth it. I mean, if you're a new mom, if you're a college student, basically, very few books are such that they'll appeal to all generations. I mean, it's not like only if you're interested in Bollywood you would want to read about it. No, yeah, it's got something for everyone. So just, it's like a 5-star rating, and just go and get yourself a copy and read it. So thank you, Soha Ali Khan ma'am, for giving us such a nice book. I really enjoyed every page of the book. So thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.